All right, guys, this is my review of the RealSmart infrared space heater slash fireplace. And I say fireplace because this thing is a massive vibe. It's not just a space heater. I've had space heaters, dude. I mean, I live in Phoenix, so that's typically what I use in a room rather than like running the whole heat because you really don't need that much heat down here. Just in specific rooms, like especially if I'm like out in the garage or something like that, this just really comes in handy and it heats up fast. But it's ambiance too. So look at that. I just powered it on. And what you have is you have a couple different settings. So we got lower, lower, dimmer, and then off. And it's not even dark out, and you're getting such a massive vibe from that. Then what I'll do is the temperature is right there. So you can watch. I'll run it all the way up as high as it goes. And I can tell you guys, it's spitting out heat at me right now. So it goes up to 90 and it goes down to 50, just to give you context for how this works. You also can run a timer here. Let's go back here so you can see that a little better. So you can run a timer for like, let's see how far the timer goes. So you can run a timer for like 10 minutes, or it's 10 hours. 10 minutes or 10 hours? I don't know. Anyways, here's the thing. The timer's on it. You can see on the description. I haven't used the timer, but you can see on the description of the product how long the timer goes for. This thing's amazing, dude. It's so easy to use. And then you can power it off just like that. The infrared is right in there. And straight up, dude, that heat comes out as soon as you turn it on. But the ambiance of this alone sells it, especially when you're seeing that number on that product page. It's an incredible value. Everyone's buying this, and they're highly pleased, and I am too.